Hi my lovely truck drivers, I'm going to show you another secret button and useful button whenever you need fresh air. You see this one? Look at this. You on the top, so you can get now fresh air. If you want to close it, there's another button, so you can close it like this. If you don't want it to help, so you can do like this and again like this. It's a little bit hell. So you see, now it's closed. I make it a little bit, you can see that now it's getting open and it gets closed. Wow, MAN. So this is the open button there, and this is the close button. Subscribe my channel. Love you all. Like my videos, and I like you. Ciao.